Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you how to use Sofi's referral program to earn rewards. Let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Sofi's account on the website or mobile app, and then you want to click on Refer a Friend or Referral Program from the dashboard, and just review the referral program's terms and conditions. Now, when it comes to referring friends, what you want to do is to share your unique referral link. So just share your unique referral link with your friends and families through email or social media, or it could be just text message. The second is to provide a referral code. So you want to provide a referral code to your friends and family who want to join Sofi. And of course, you can ensure referrals meet eligibility requirements. So that's the thing, you got to ensure that the people you are referring, that they meet Sofi's eligibility requirements, including their age, their residence, and their account requirements. Now, when it comes to earning rewards, there are a couple of things to note. So you can earn rewards for successful referrals. So once you earn rewards for each successful referrals, including cash bonuses, you get investment credits and other incentives. And the reward structure, so you got to review Sofi's reward structure to understand how rewards are earned and how they are paid out. Now, for reward payout, of course, you can receive reward payout according to Sofi's payout schedule. So you want to find out what that is, you got to go check it out. When it comes to referral program terms, there are a couple of things to note. Now, that's for the eligibility requirements. So you got to review Sofi's eligibility requirements for referrals, because they have their requirements there. We've said before, things like age, account type, and stuff. So there's also a referral limit. So you got to understand Sofi's referral limits, including the number of referrals that's allowed per user. So you are limited in the number of referrals you can send out. And the third, of course, is the referral expiration. So you got to review Sofi's reward expiration policy to ensure that rewards are redeemed before they expire. So you want to take notes of that. And a couple of other tips and reminders that I got for you is to first share your referral link strategically. So you got a limited number of referrals that you can make, so you want to share your link with your friends and families who may be interested in Sofi's product and services. You don't want to waste the number of referrals you have. The second, of course, is to encourage referrals to meet eligibility requirements. So if at all you want to refer someone, you got to make sure that they meet these Sofi's eligibility requirements, so you don't end up wasting your referrals. Now, the third, of course, is to monitor your referral dashboard. So you got to track your referrals and rewards through Sofi's referral dashboard. The fourth and final tip, of course, is that you can contact Sofi support if needed. So just reach out to Sofi support team if you have any questions or issues referring the referral programs. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you liked the video, hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps us out so very much. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.